Hi, my name is Dilip, and I'm going to demonstrate to you how to create a table of contents very quickly, and also show you how to assign styles and different heading tags in your document, which are very useful because in future, if you want to change the styles to submit to a different journal, which might have a different style, it's very easy to change your entire document without having to pull your hair apart. So let's start. The first thing we need to do is really assign the tags, as in define what this heading is. Is it a heading 1? Is it a level 1 heading? So I'm just going to put this as a level 1 heading. And these are subheadings of level 1. I'm going to put these as level 2 headings. And if this level 2 heading had some more headings, I could put level 3 and so on. And notice the moment I put heading 2, a heading 3 appears. If I start using heading 3, it knows that, oh, now I can go to heading 4. The reason for this is it forces you to have the semantics correct. So you can't just use a heading 4 under a heading 1. And that helps in creating correct table of contents with accurate headings and subheadings. So I'll just go and assign all of these subheadings as heading 2. You can use the format painter, no problem. The beauty about this is now if I right click on this heading 2 and say modify, and bear in mind I'm demonstrating this on a Mac, which the handout I gave earlier was for a PC. Now you know also how to do it on a Mac. So I right clicked and I said go to modify. Now Macs don't have a right button, but you can always do control and click. And let's say I change the color to green and I change the spacing to 1.5, change the font size to 12. I need to click on automatically update and then press OK. And voila, you can see that everything has changed, it's become green. Yeah. Let me now go and insert a table of contents. I'll just come up here and go to references. Different versions on different OSs, the menu changes as versions improve. So if I go to references and I then click on this thing here on the left, I've got a table of contents icon and I click on table of contents. I can modify it. I can actually go and modify it and say I don't want heading 3. But if I click it, bang. And there's another way to have table of figures. Let's say you've got a lot of illustrations. You can say I want a table of figures, and for the figures I've used this style, and it'll pick up that style and say, okay, these are the styles. So just like we had the styles here, you can go and define one or use one for figures. So we've got table of contents, and I'll put this on a new page. So what I'll go do is I'll go to insert, click on pages, and click on page break. So I have my table of contents on a separate page, and I can finish this off by adding a cover page, pages, cover page, just put a simple cover page, my document, put a version for your date, a version control. It's always nice to have a version control. So I'll just edit this. And these ones I don't need. These ones I don't need. So I've got my document heading, got a version, when it was released, table of contents, and there you are done in less than 5 minutes. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this useful.